Then Jesus answered and said unto her, O woman, great is thy faith, be it unto thee even as thou wilt. And her daughter was made whole from that very hour. May God bless you. Amen. Chu vele I suat chuan a hnena hmeichhia irin anasa emai iduang takin I chunga omro se atia achanga ti chuan afanu chu chumi achina chuan alo dam tamaya kan rin anasa chuan kan duang takin kan chunga a omdon lalpan malsom chero se. Amen.